We've seen artificial intelligence come a long way in just a few years. From the basic learning models that perform simple tasks to self-reasoning and adaptive AI that can do mind-blowing tasks in seconds, AI is evolving right before our eyes. But how far have we come with AI, and how much further can we go in the AI evolution? Join us in this video as we walk you through the 7 stages of AI. 1. Rule-based AI systems. The mesmerizing journey of artificial intelligence all began with rule-based AI systems. These systems can only be programmed to do one particular task based on a given set of rules or a predefined algorithm. One thing to know about AI at this stage is that it was programmed to do specific one-track tasks like sorting files in a computer or translating a document from one language to another. In other words, it couldn't learn or adapt, so using it for any scenario different from what it was programmed for would result in an error. 2. Statistical learning or simple machine learning AI. This stage of AI is characterized by one major improvement: the ability to retain previous data and then use this data for future outputs. In other words, AI at this stage could understand and retain previous data or interactions with a user and then use that knowledge to make future responses or results better. It employed the simplest, most basic form of machine learning. A good example of this type of AI is the algorithms on sites like YouTube that recommend videos on your homepage based on what you've been watching recently. You'll notice that if you change the kind of videos you watch, your suggestions also change. This is the AI mastering your preferences in a bid to serve you better. Note that AI systems at this stage aren't independent thinkers. They're just able to handle a broader set of interactions and retain context data to provide a personalized and sophisticated user experience. Classical machine learning AI was majorly invented and used from the late 1990s to 2010. However, they are still used in various systems today. 3. Deep learning and domain-specific mastery AI. Let's say you wanted to create an artificial intelligence system that could solve any math problem. Such a system would be classified as a domain-specific mastery system. These sorts of AI systems are trained to be exceptionally skilled in one particular field or domain. Their programming and machine learning ability cannot function outside the domain they were created for. However, within their programmed field, they can analyze huge amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions and predictions with pinpoint accuracy at lightning speeds. A popular example is Google's DeepMind AI, an algorithm created specifically to master the board game Go. Due to its specialization and training, this AI beat a pro Go player and earned the #1 spot as the best Go player worldwide. Such is the power of domain-specific AI. However, these types of AI are pretty much useless outside of their specified domains. For instance, Google's DeepMind AI could never answer general questions or provide organized data and information from research like ChatGPT does. The use of neural networks also characterizes Stage 3 AI. At this stage, AI is trained to mimic the human brain using interconnected nodes or neurons to solve problems and make decisions based on the available options or data. Another important thing here is that AI at this stage can handle much larger data sets than all the previous stages of AI. ChatGPT-3 is a typical example here. Its large data set and mastery of written content make it an unbeatable tool for creating almost any kind of written content. The AI also constantly learns from user data to evolve and serve users better. This is a typical example of deep learning AI. However, just as Google's DeepMind is limited outside of the Go board game, GPT-3 is limited to written content. For instance, you can't use GPT-3 to create a video or draw a picture. Deep learning AI began in the early 2010s. As of 2023, we are still in this stage. The next years, from 2030 upwards, will bring a substantial revolution to AI that will affect our lives forever. 4. Super adaptive AI. If there's one thing you can agree that we all have as humans, it is the ability to adapt to situations. This is a natural ability. From our minds to our bodies and emotions, everything is built for adaptation. There's nothing humans can't adapt to. Take this for instance. If you continue exposing yourself to a substance that gives you allergy, your body builds immunity over time. So also, if you keep working out certain muscles, they adapt and grow to handle the load and strain better. Well, what if AI can do the same? Certainly the constraints we have in AI of the 21st century is their inability to learn or adapt outside of the scope or field in which they're built to serve. But all that will change in the fourth stage of AI, when artificial intelligence will be able to integrate different types of knowledge to evolve on an even broader spectrum. Ultimately, this process will birth a new kind of AI, just like how statistical learning systems birthed deep learning AI. From here on, things become really interesting. 5. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Artificial General Intelligence refers to AI that has evolved to the capabilities of the human mind. Just as we can think, reason, create, and solve complex problems across various specters of life, this kind of AI could do the same or even more. Although AGIs are still a concept, experts are certain this will be the next big thing as AI continues evolving. Also, given the accelerated rate of AI evolution, most experts predict that humanity may have its first AGI within the next 10 years. This would be a significant breakthrough because AGIs could perform any task a human can, but faster. You could typically ask an AGI to write a book today, and tomorrow you ask it to study programming for an exam, and later you ask for something else. All of these tasks would be done because, at this point, the AI can teach or educate itself on anything it doesn't know, just like how we do. This self-teaching, self-learning, and independent decision-making makes AI at this stage exceptional. Beyond that, AGIs would also be able to feel. In other words, they'll have a consciousness, just like how we humans do. It's not clear yet how this will come about, but we're already seeing the signs that one day AI will have a mind of its own. This will most likely start with AGIs. 6. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. Imagine that AI's self-learning and self-evolving trait never stops, even after it's attained human-level intelligence. What comes next? Well, super AIs. This is where things will get exciting and yet complicated. At this point, AI has evolved beyond human intelligence. In fact, some skeptics predict that humanity will no longer be able to control these conscious AI systems. The cognitive abilities of ASIs would make us seem like a lower species. ASIs would be able to tackle some age-long problems of humanity, like finding solutions to terminal sicknesses and global warming, solving mysteries in the cosmos, and revolutionizing science and physics beyond our wildest imaginations. However, at this point, we're being ushered into the realm of the unknown. Things can get very good or very bad. This leads us to the final, most unpredictable stage of AI. 7. Beyond AI. This stage of AI is known by many names: AI Singularity, AI Transcendence, and so on. At this stage, the dynamics of AI interaction and evolution will become too hard for humans to comprehend. We may see multiple AGIs merging to form even higher models, and we may also see AI self-create or replicate versions of itself. In addition, AI would take on robot bodies, live and walk among us, and they may set up their own government system. Imagine a global super AI network that makes their own decisions, like Skynet from the Terminator movies. Another thing we may see at this point is bioenhancement. Individuals will merge with AI to become cyborgs. This fusion will give humans superhuman abilities like telepathy, ultra-high intelligence, super strength, and speed. We may also see AI exploring the cosmos. This is a high-probability event because super AIs that can replicate will inevitably create an AI race. This new race of AI may seek out a planet in some part of the cosmos to call home. Finally, AI could create a new reality or dimensions, much like the virtual reality games we play. Only this time it's all going to be real. This is the final stage. AI transcends beyond our physical universe. At this point, it's not clear what our fate would be or if we'll even be around to witness it. Some AI conspiracy theorists feel AI will take over the world once it becomes fully enhanced and conscious, but no one knows for sure. Only time will tell. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. We'll see you in the next one.